This is a quick video to demonstrate to you how to perform a descriptive analysis in SPSS. If you are looking to have a descriptive statistics that will show you your mean, your standard deviation, your minimum, maximum, then you are at the right place. To do this, you first need to go to Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics. Then you come down to Descriptive. When this pops up, you select the items you want to analyze by using the middle arrow to put them into the next box. You can do this by picking them one after the other, or you can highlight them and pick them together as I'm doing. After this, select Options, and if yours is not already ticked, please tick in the mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. Under the display order, I'll leave it at the variable list. Then click Continue. Then OK. This is the results gotten. Under the N is the total number of respondents, and you can see the maximum, minimum, mean, and standard deviation. I hope you were able to also get your results as well. Thanks for watching.